With our OAK4 cameras, it's easier than ever to get started with AI on the edge. The easiest way to set up the camera is by connecting to a PoE Plus switch with the cable included in the box. OAK4 cameras consume up to 25 watts of power, so here we are using PoE Plus 30-watt switch. For the best experience, connect the switch to the internet. For offline setup, see the advanced section of Getting Started. It is also possible to connect and power the camera using only USB-C connection. 30-watt USB port is recommended for full performance. Minimum supported is 15 watts where camera's performance is throttled and boot times are slower, but is still suitable for most use cases. Solid blue light means that the device is ready. Let's connect to the camera with our OAK Viewer. You can download it from our website, linked below. OAK Viewer is a desktop GUI application with an intuitive, sleek design that lets you easily visualize camera streams and interact with the device. It even allows the control of AI models deployed on the camera. You can easily switch between various neural networks, all on the UI, without typing a single line of code. Make sure to explore our other Getting Started videos.